Say hi guys, welcome to Delia's YouTube channel. Cheers to the freaking weekend. I drink to that. Yay. Cheers guys. It is Friday. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm not drinking anything but water. I am so thirsty. I just came from outside. It is raining cats and dogs. I hate being outside when it's raining, especially when the rain is cold. I do not like to get wet in the rain. I do not like that feeling. I just feel that when the rain wets you, you feel like a wet dog. And do not ask me how a wet dog feels, but I just feel like when the rain touches your skin, it gives me that ick. I went to Metro. It is so crazy in Metro today because everybody is buying lobster for the weekend. I didn't want to wait until Saturday or Sunday to get the lobster because I know it might be sold out by the time I am ready for it. It's crazy because normally they will give you the lobster in a bag, but everything changed now. They're trying to protect the environment, so now they give it to you in a box. Those lobsters are alive. They are alive. I'm scared that the claw would pierce through the box, but that didn't happen, which is a good thing. The box is sturdy. I was so surprised. So that's a A+. I wanted to go to Winners, but I'm not too sure as yet. The rain just don't want to hold up. If the rain hold up, maybe I go later on if I feel like it, but for now I'm gonna head to the kitchen because my son is hungry. He already asked what are we eating for dinner. I got him a frozen pizza the last time when I went grocery shopping, so I'm just gonna pop that in the oven. I preheated my oven and it's finished now. Let's head on to the kitchen now. So this is the pizza. I'm gonna open it. Why is my battery dying? Alright, so the pizza is in the oven. I am so hungry. I don't even know what I want to eat though. I really don't know. So let me show you guys the lobster. Okay. Oh, there they are. Say hi guys, welcome to Delia's YouTube channel. Say hi. They say hi. So I don't know what I want to eat for myself, but I do have leftover couscous. I think I want to try couscous fried rice. I don't know if that's a thing. I'm gonna do it like how you do fried rice, but instead of the rice I'm gonna use couscous. I had a little bit of chicken in this bowl, so I'm gonna cut it up and put it in the rice, in the couscous, not the rice. I have some bell peppers. Let me get the onion. Have this onion. So let me cut up the veggies and I'll see you guys when I am ready to make the couscous. I'm experimenting today. Alright, so I am finished cutting up the veggies. I have some garlic, green onions, white onions, and bell peppers.
So what's the rush? The night is young, we're not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. You like the way I fuck cause I get buff. You told me your new man don't make you nut. That's the damn shame. You come here, I knock your pussy out the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss the damn plane? Remember that last time I went to devil champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me.
I am done. I added avocado and just sprinkle everything bagel on there, and this is my stir fry couscous. If I had some broccoli and carrots and like all the veggies to add in there and some shrimp on top of that, chef kiss, y'all. So I'm gonna add some sriracha. I love sriracha. So I'm gonna give a taste test on camera to let you guys know what I think about it. It's hot. It's actually good. I'm gonna go finish it and I'll see you guys after.
Listen, seeing who got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yep. Tension between us just like big defenses. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no. Listen, part of building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
I am back home. It is 9 o'clock. Can you imagine? I've been on the road from since 6 o'clock. I went to the first Winners and I did find like about 3 pieces that I liked, but honestly it wasn't in my budget. So I checked another Winners and I found something, so hopefully it can work. If it don't, I am gonna just bring it back and just continue looking. So I'm gonna show you guys what I found. Let me go get it. So this is the wall art that I found. I'm gonna try it, then I'll show you guys how it look after. Yeah, we got a problem. The wall art is too small. What I learned tonight from my cousin is that whenever you're hanging something on your wall, you need a certain amount of space. So we're gonna use this example. From the couch to the picture can either be 8 or 10. I hope I'm explaining it properly. This picture right here is like the perfect example for what I'm looking for, but in a different design. The one that I got is 22 by 28 inches. I'm so down about it because I actually really love the art and it fits my decor perfect. I just wish it was a little bit bigger. So maybe tomorrow, if I'm not busy, I would take it back. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. You know what? I didn't even realize I still have the lobster out. Let me go check. I know for a fact that this lobster is dead, y'all. So I need to put it away. Let's see. Ooh. There they are. They're dead. Oh Lord, they pissed in there. Ew. So I'm gonna put it in the freezer and I'll take it out from when I'm ready to use it. The lobster is in the freezer. It is 10:47. It is late. I am tired. I am going to take a shower, call it a night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is a gloomy day again today. It's raining outside. I don't know what's going on with this weather, but it needs to get it together real quick. When I went to bed last night, I put on 2 pimple patch, one here and one under my chin, because I felt a pimple was coming out. And I really don't want to pop it. Every time I pop my pimple, it leaves like dark marks and I do not like it. So I have this Notorium Vitamin C Complex Cleanser. Never used it, so I think I'm gonna use this to see if it's gonna brighten up my face and help fade the marks. Let's see if this is gonna work, y'all. I do show my love for you. Let me take out the pimple patch. I don't know if you guys can see. Is it focusing? Focus, man. You can see the white head came to surface. I don't want to pop it. I don't want to pop it. But this one didn't even come to surface at all. Did I pop the damn pimple? I got tempted and popped the pimple. Anyways, I am gonna add this peeling solution by The Ordinary. It's been a while I haven't used this. I'm gonna put some on and leave it for 10 minutes and then I'll wash it off. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. I am done washing my face. I'm gonna get a napkin so I can tap it dry. Why did I pop the pimple? Why?
I still want you. She cries to the heaven above. There's a stone in my heart. She lives a life she didn't choose. It hurts like brand new shoes. Me too.
All them bags gon' get in your way. Is it a crime? All them bags gon' get in your way.
I still want you.
Phones I'm tipping, wood grain I'm gripping, catch me lying switching with
My Shayla. I am gonna go to Winners to take back the wall art, and hopefully today I can find something that I like and also something within my budget. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let's head on out. Alright guys, so I am back home. I didn't record in Winners. When I got to that Winners, I was so surprised. The home decor section, they didn't have a wide variety. It was a mess. I just did a return. They had another store, which is Bouclair. It was right next door from Winners, and they sell a lot of home decor. They had a good sale. I was able to get 3 canvas. It was half the price, plus there was an extra 25% off. Look at God. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. This is the pattern, y'all. I feel it's similar to what I brought back in Winners. I cannot wait to hang it up and show you guys. Super cute. So yeah, I am super excited. I am very happy with my purchase. It really pays to shop around. It is so hot. I need to open the window. I am baking. I need to charge my phone up a little bit. I have to go to the grocery store after. Let me charge my phone up and then I'll see you guys when it's time to go grocery shopping. Alright guys, so I'm back from the supermarket. I am going to pack away my groceries and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I'm finished putting away my groceries. I'm gonna make chicken tacos. I seasoned up some chicken strips and I put some cornstarch in there. Add some olive oil. And that is what it's looking like. Instead of putting it to fry, I'm gonna put it in the air fryer.
Kush is on fire.
Chicken taco was the bomb. Chef kiss. I need to go to the kitchen and start prepping my meat for tomorrow. I'm so tired, getting late, so let me just head on to the kitchen.
Touchdown show.
Take my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've given losing best of me. I believe that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Sometimes I make a new sense, it's just urgent. Tryna make some simple change, got me a war in my mind. Let that go away, can't keep us holding me. Choose right, what if you pick up in front of me? I leave my own feelings now. Still wanna try, still believe in it. I disappear if you let me. Feel like Decor, feel like though we lost this shit. Got a woman on my course to be alone night. Way to live, way to kill the mood. Know you like that shit, keep cool, baby. Heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta keep the moves, this shit the first to me.